What Houston businesses need to know about the latest cybersecurity threat. Impress Computer Solutions is sounding the alarm about CVE 2024-43405, a high-severity vulnerability in ProjectDiscovery's Nuclei. With a CVSS score of 7.4, this flaw is no joke. It affects all Nuclei versions after 3.0 and could allow attackers to bypass security checks and execute malicious code. Nuclei, a powerful vulnerability scanner, relies on IAML-based templates, but its flexibility also introduces risks. Weak signature verification and parsing inconsistencies can let attackers inject malicious content and evade detection. For Houston businesses, this means unauthorized commands, data breaches, and system compromise. If you're using community-contributed templates or unverified scripts, you're especially at risk. To protect your business, update Nuclei to version 3.7 or later. Validate all templates and run vulnerability scans in isolated environments. And of course, monitor for suspicious activity. Partner with Impress Computer Solutions to stay ahead of threats. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and we're here to help. Contact us today to secure your operations and maintain trust with your customers.